For my third dish of the evening, I will be cooking some lobster tails, frying them hot in a pan. So I get this pan nice and hot. Before I add my garlic olive oil, and as you can see, it is hot. I hit the tails with just a little salt, that's it. Sprinkle a little Old Bay on it also. Cook them open side down, really hot for the first 2.5–3 minutes. I turn them over and hit them with this chimichurri sauce, and they are almost done. There it is, my third dish, fried lobster tails, garnished with chives from our garden, seasoned with chimichurri, and oh man, paired with a nice ice cold beer. It's gonna be good. That sauce goes great with the lobster, giving it a really good seafood feel to it. Cook that lobster about the same time you cook one of those large shrimp. I'm glad I'm eating these at home, because the only way to really enjoy them is to get in there with your fingers and your choppers and go for it.